Hello and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav. Today in this particular video we will discuss about Codeforces Round 925, which is a division 3 round, right? And we'll discuss about the problem D, the fourth problem of this round in this particular video. I have also uploaded or will upload the editorials of the other problems also in my channel. So you can check out that videos for the other problems. But for this problem D, we'll discuss in this particular video. The problem is divisible pairs. Let's see first what the problem statement says. So the problem statement says that Polycarp has two favorite integers x and y that can be equal also, and he has to and he also had an array of length n. So basically he has two numbers x and y and he has an array n. Now what you have to do is you have to find a pair, okay, a pair of indices, basically a pair of two numbers such that ai plus aj is divisible by x and ai minus aj is divisible by y. So you have to find how many such pairs are there, and they call it as a beautiful pair. You have to find how many such pairs are there. For example, if you will see this first test case 1 2 7, I will take the first test case. Okay, so for example, they are saying 1 2 7 and then 4 9 6. Okay, and here you will see that n is 6. There are 6 numbers right in this array, and here the value of x is 5 and y is 2. Okay, so means you want two numbers from this array such that ai plus aj is divisible by x and ai minus aj is divisible by y. First of all, if I am saying that this is divisible by x and this is divisible by y, so we can say that ai plus aj mod x equal to 0 because it's divisible, yes, and ai minus aj mod y is equal to 0. So basically we need two numbers, we need such pairs in this array whose addition is divisible by x and whose subtraction is divisible by y. So there are actually two such pairs in this array. You will see the first pair is 1 comma 9. So if you will see 1 plus 9 is divisible by 5, yes, and 1 minus 9 is also divisible by 2, which is minus 8. So minus 8 is divisible by 4, minus is also there. Okay, second is 4 and 6. So the same happens to 4 and 6 also. So 10 is divisible by 5 and minus 2 is divisible by 2. There are these two pairs. But how you can find that in an array how many such pairs are there? How you can find that? So let's for now. So basically you want a pair that satisfies these both the conditions. Not it, okay, it's not like it can either satisfy the first or either the second. No, it should satisfy both the conditions. So how it can be done? How the user can do that? So what will happen is, let's first discuss for separate. Let's take for separate two condition. For example, I'm asking you that you have this array. Let's have the same array 1 2 4 and say 1 2 7, 1 2 7 and 4 9 6. Let's talk about first condition. The first condition is we need two numbers in this array such that they are divisible by x. Basically, we need two numbers whose mod x is equal to 0. If I will ask you, tell me two numbers whose mod x is equal to 0, what you will tell me? You will say, okay, Abhinav, what we can do is we can open this mod and we can say like that key, if ai mod x plus aj mod x whole mod x is equal to 0, right? Right? Or we can say that we need two numbers. We need two numbers whose mod with x, if we add the mod of x of that two number, that should also be 0, right? So basically the thing is कि what we will do, we will take the mod of ai mod x. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, from here I will take ai mod x, from here I will take aj mod x. Okay, now this ai mod x plus aj mod x can either be 0 or can either be equal to x. If any of the two conditions are there, means ai plus aj mod x is equal to 0, obviously, because देखो जो ai mod x होगा, this will be less than x, aj mod x will also be less than x, so their sum will should either be equal to x or should be 0. It cannot be greater than x. तो अगर ai mod x और aj mod x का सम, अगर इसका सम 0 आ रहा है या फिर x आ रहा है, इसका मतलब हमारे ai aj का जो जो है वो डिविजिबल है x से। तो ये तो हमारा एक कंडीशन हो गया। दूसरी कंडीशन क्या है, दैट ai माइनस aj mod y शुड बी 0। अब सी here what will happen, we will say ai mod y minus aj mod y should be 0. So here the condition is very clear. Condition is that if you will take ai mod y, that should be equal to aj mod y. Simple. Means if you have a number whose mod with y is given, so that is also equal to another number. For example, if you will see, we have taken a pair 1 comma 9, right? If you will first take this 1 and 9 mod with x, so x was 5 and y was 2. So 1 mod x will be 1 and 9 mod x will be 4. And this was a valid pair. Why? Because 1 plus 4 was equal to 5. As I told you, that either it should be equal to 0 or it should be equal to x, which is 5. And if you will take the same, but it's not like, so this pair is satisfying this condition, but this pair should also satisfy this condition. Am I right? Now let's take the mod of this with x, y. So now 1 mod 2 will be 1 and 9 mod 2 will also be 1. Means both the conditions are satisfied. First condition is that if you are taking the mod of both the numbers of the pair with x, you are having its sum as 5 or 0. It can be 0 also. And second condition is that if you are having the mod of the number with y, you are having equal value, which is 1 and 1. So that when they are subtracted, it becomes 0. That is what you have to do. So how we implemented this thing? I hope you got the logic. A pair that should that should satisfy both the condition. So what I did is for example that you are currently at a number x. For example, let's say you are currently at a number a. You are currently at a number a, and you will first find value of a modulus x, and you will find the value of a modulus y. Let's say this is a number a. So you will first find the value of a modulus x and a modulus y. Now, for that a modulus y, if you want to pair it with someone, that number should also have the same value of a modulus y. For example, अगर हम इस a number को इस b के साथ pair करते हैं, that means a modulus y should be equal to b modulus y. Am I right? And this a modulus y should be equal to x minus b modulus y. How? Because as I told you कि इन दोनों का sum equal to x होना चाहिए. तो आपको एक नंबर पता है तो आप सम माइनस वो कर दो, दूसरा नंबर निकल आएगा. ये कंडीशन होनी चाहिए. या ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि अगर आपका ये 0 होता तो ये भी 0 हो सकता था. ठीक है, या तो दोनों 0 हो, या तो दोनों 0 हो, या तो दोनों का सम x हो. मतलब या तो दोनों का सम x हो या तो दोनों का सम 0 हो, दोनों में से कुछ भी हो. तो अगर दोनों का सम 0 है वो भी सही है. ठीक है, तो देखो इसके लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज, इफ यू विल सी हियर माय समेशन, सो I'm taking a map of map. I'm taking a map of map, and what I'm doing, I'm first finding currently we are at, let's say, so we are having the vector v. Okay, we are currently at element v of I. What I told you, we are currently at element v of I. Okay, now if we are v of I, first of all we will find vi modulus x. So the current element where we are is having this value if we take mod x. नाउ वी विल फाइंड फॉर एलिमेंट कि देखो करंट एलिमेंट का तो मॉड एक्स इतना आ रहा है. अब क्या है, कोई एलिमेंट है जिसका मॉड एक्स इतना है, यही तो हमें चाहिए. हमें एक एलिमेंट चाहिए जिसका मॉड एक्स ये आए, सो दैट जब दोनों को ऐड करें तो फाइनल मॉड एक्स आपका एक्स आ जाए या फिर 0 आ जाए. तो 0 के लिए भी क्या करेंगे, हम ओवरऑल मॉड ले लेंगे. ठीक है, और अगर करंट एलिमेंट का y के साथ मॉड इतना आ रहा है तो हमें एक नंबर चाहिए जिसका मॉड भी y के साथ इतना ही आए. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक मैप ले रहे हैं और इस मैप में हम हर नंबर के लिए उसका x से मॉड कितना है, फॉर एवरी नंबर what is the mod of that value with x and what is the mod of that value y, we are storing and we are increasing. That means that okay, there is a number whose x with and y, whose mod with x and whose mod with y is this, there is a number with this particular mod values and we will search this number here. हम यहाँ क्या देखा, हमने कहा कि इस नंबर से पहले ऐसे कितने नंबर्स हैं, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर प्रेजेंट बिफोर दिस नंबर whose mod with x is this That is what we want, x minus this. And whose mod with y is same equal to what mod it है. ऐसे जितने भी नंबर हैं उन सबके साथ we can make a pair. Whatever numbers are there, we can make pair with all of them. So add in the answer. And because this number can also be used later, store their mod x in the map. हमने ये एक्स्ट्रा mod x क्यों लिया? Because in case अगर ये चीज 0 हुई, in case if vi mod x is 0, if vi mod x is 0, that means the other number mod x will also be 0. So when this will be 0, x minus 0 will be x, and overall x mod x will be 0. So वो 0 ही हो जाएगा at the last, right? Because this is how we are solving this particular problem. If you have any doubt regarding this code, I will share the link in the description. But you have any doubt in this code, you can join the Telegram channel. There we will do the post contest discussion. And also you can ask in the comment section if you have any doubt. If this video is helpful for you guys, please do comment helpful and please like the video and hit the subscribe button. And for the other videos of other problems like E, F and all of that problem, I will upload in the channel soon. So do check it out. Thank you.